Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can calculate number of days from a given date. I have already prepared one small table for you where dates are given, okay, and we have to calculate that up to the current date means up to today how many days are there, and it will be displayed here. Okay, click on a cell, press equal and equal to sign, type today. Today is the function which will use today's date, and if we calculate our day number of days today, tomorrow when we will open the sheet, automatically it will be updated. Our calculation will be done according to the latest date. It will be calculated according to tomorrow's date. Okay, so equal to today, parenthesis, bracket start, bracket close, minus the start date. Press enter. From 1st January 2023 till today, there are 38 days. We can by just double click and it will be implemented all on remaining cells. And what is the actually good thing for this today function, that it will update according to the latest date. Tomorrow when you will open, so number of days will be 39. Here it number of days will be 61. Okay, let's discuss another thing. Now we will discuss how we can calculate number of days from a start date and end date. Here both the dates are fixed. Click on the cell where you want to calculate, press equal to sign, and then select the cell where end date is there, because end date will be bigger than the start date. Click minus sign and click the cell where start date is written. Click, press enter. You can see the day number of days, the difference between end date and start date is calculated here. Just double click on the autofill handle and it will be implemented on all the cells. But in this case, in this table, as both the dates are fixed, so number of days will not change tomorrow, as there was the case in the previous in this table, because here we use the function today function. This Excel will take always the current date, the latest date. Okay, thank you for watching the video.